Welcome to a calm beginning and a moment of grounding. Today's affirmation offers a reminder of steady support. The earth beneath my feet holds me in perfect balance. Balance is often misunderstood as something fragile, something that can be lost with one wrong move. But true balance is not about perfection or control. It is about support. Right now, the ground beneath you is doing its work. It holds your weight without question. It does not rush you. It does not require adjustment. It simply supports you as you are. When you bring attention to this, the body responds, the breath settles, the muscles soften, the mind quiets. You remember that balance is not something you must create. It is something you can feel. This affirmation is an invitation to come out of your head and into your body, to notice what is real and present instead of what feels unstable in thought. Even when life feels uncertain, support is still here, steady and reliable. As your day unfolds, return to this affirmation whenever you feel scattered or off-center. Let your awareness drop downward. Feel your feet. Feel the steadiness beneath you. You do not need to brace yourself when you are already held. Here's your daily habit for today. Stand still for 10 seconds today and feel the ground supporting you. Carry these companion affirmations with you. I am supported exactly where I stand, and stability meets me in the present moment. Thank you for beginning your day with AM inspiration and choosing grounding over tension. May steadiness meet you wherever you go today. Win the morning. Win the day.